Alright, turned out really well, mashallah. Okay, so looks quite beautiful. The sauce is wonderful. The mashed potatoes have cream cheese and butter. Let this cool down before we dive in. Mashallah. This Mennonite recipe is really good. Man. It's unique because I never really thought to have this combo in this presentation, but it's very savory. Now, the recipe didn't say how you should make your mashed potatoes, but I decided to make it a cream cheese butter one. I think this would also go well with garlic, I would argue. Subhanallah. Thank Allah for everything. Homemade dinners are the best.